Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a stomp pad on a snowboard. Essentially what you want to do is have the board room temperature. Right now it's about 65 degrees here in the shop, and that's good temperature for adhesion. You don't want to try to install this, right before you go on the mountain when it's 30 degrees. At least 60 on up to 100 for this is probably good. You want to make sure the board is nice and clean. There's no dirt, debris, of course, ice or anything like that. Some people will tell you that if you preheat the area with a hair dryer or a heat gun, or heat the back of the stomp pad and then put it on, that's good. In my experience, sometimes yes, sometimes no. But 3M, the largest adhesion or adhesive manufacturer in the world, suggests that install it at room temperature and don't wash whatever you're putting it on. Say it's a car emblem, or in this case, a stomp pad, don't wash it for 24 hours. So what I'm going to do here is, this one's fairly easy. I want it centered. So my Snow Trooper logo here, and then also the holes, it's going to be real easy to align it. Of course, I have the center spike here, so getting it centered isn't going to be a problem at all. Otherwise, what I would do is I would lay out some tape, measure it, put a mark in the center of the tape, and then measure it that way and put it on. But what I do want to do is I want to set it up just a little bit, because last time I set mine way too close to my binding, which caused two problems. I couldn't adjust my bindings up or down, and then my boot was right on the binding. I like it just a little bit up. So what I am going to do is I'm going to use the tape here as kind of a guide. As I showed you, I put my binding here for alignment, just to create enough space in between the stomp pad and the binding. So just some 3M blue painter's tape. I'm going to use that as an alignment tool to set that up just a little bit. As you can see, I just put it on there and then peeled out the bottom half. Basically just peel off the backing here. With my center spike, center of the logo, center of the holes. Proper alignment. It's not crooked. I'm using my tape as a guide. Just set it on there and give it a good press. If you look closely here, you can see it's turning dark because the adhesive is actually pressing onto the material. It's not floating above it. So cool. It's probably going to be a couple days until I hit the mountain again. So in the meantime, I'm just going to let this guy set and get a good bond. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and share my video.